So things are looking extremely solid for the equities market. But let's get a check on what's going on with commodities. Manisha is talking about gold, and Manisha, there's been quite a rise there too.
Oh, well, yes, it's trading at a two-week highs for the gold prices. We are up 2.5% for this week, and for the year now we are holding nearly 11.5% on the higher side. While for the year we also have seen an all-time high of $2,149 an ounce. We are currently trading almost $100 down from those kind of levels. Also, let me remind you that that all-time high is what we saw even less than a couple of hours. So whether it was an aberration or stop losses being triggered, but we haven't been able to sustain those kind of levels. But the expectation is that with the kind of market scenario or a background that we are dealing with, the gold prices are still in favor. We are looking at weakness in US dollar index, which has declined by nearly 1.5% for this current year versus the other major world currencies, and that has been supportive for the dollar denominated gold prices there. Apart from that, there also are expectations of rate cuts going forward from US Fed in 2024 that already has brightened the sentiment. And then it also has been about safe haven buying, whether it's about recession concerns in the Western world or about the geopolitical tensions that we are dealing with. The global central bank buying in sense of gold has been yet another reason that has been very supportive for gold. The ETF buying also has been on the higher side. And when you look at the outlook for 2024, well, most banks and brokerages are talking about higher levels, almost all-time highs for the next year as well. HDFC Securities within India is talking about 2,100 to 2,180 kind of levels. $2,200 per ounce seems like a favorite mark for many banks. So whether it is about UBS, Bank of America, UOB and MKS PAMP, all of them are talking about 2,200 kind of an average price for the next year. TD Securities and ING are looking at 2,100 on the higher side. JP Morgan clearly continues to be quite bullish. They expect 2,300 in case of gold prices by the time it's 2025. So whether it's about next year or 2025 as well, there are still bullish cues coming in for this precious metal.
Okay, thank you very much for that. We will slip into a break on that note. We'll come back.